Well, hi guys, my name is Steph. I'm going to show you in the simple tutorial how to actually install PrestaShop 1.6 on your domain, on your server. After last 4 months of struggling with Presta 1.6 and errors that it has thrown to us, we have come to the grips of how to do it, and I just wanted to create a series that will help everyone to understand and see how PrestaShop works, because I have been looking on the internet and I have not found many useful things. So just to start, what you will need to do is actually to have the domain name that you want to install. Our domain name, just to show you how it works, it's called tiandeshop.co.uk, and it works on the platform of PrestaShop. So as you can see, there is a new design and you can upload videos and etc. So PrestaShop, for people who don't know what it is, it's the e-commerce platform especially designed for online shopping. So what happens now is you need to have the domain. So our domain is going to be test.ruindesire.co.uk. When you put that in, it's actually forbidden because it doesn't nothing exists on it. So your domain will need to be empty so you can install the PrestaShop on it. So what you need to do is you need to access the cpanel or any other panel that you have. I'm actually using cpanel myself. You may have other administration panels, but the principle is the same. And then you log in to see what's what. If you access your cpanel, you will have everything what is usually on the cpanel. What you need to look for is something what is called soft calculus. Some people will have only the icon of soft calculus here, but myself, I actually have the icon of PrestaShop that I need to click onto in order to install PrestaShop. So soft calculus is the one that we're looking for. If if there is no other scripts available, then we look for soft calculus. If there is one, you look for PrestaShop. So what you need to do, you need to click on PrestaShop, and then obviously this takes you to soft calculus website or sub website, which will show you all available scripts that you can install. So there's plenty of that, but what we're interested is in e-commerce, which is basically PrestaShop. What we need to do now, or you can have a look at screenshots, features, and read about it, and demo as well, but we actually want to install it. So we click on install. Now we can choose a protocol if we want, HTTP, www. From my experience, it doesn't make much of a difference. If somebody knows more, let me know. But basically it works on all of them, and if you want to have multi-store on a separate domain, they mustn't be the same. But about multi-stores later. Now what we need to do, we need to choose the domain. This is my main domain, which I don't want to use. I want to use test. So I'm using test.ruindesire.co.uk, and then directory. If you want to have the PrestaShop installed in the directory where you need to specially access it, it would look something like this: test Presta, and then you will have your online shop in that directory. But if you don't want to have your PrestaShop in the directory, you just erase that, and basically when you access this website, it will be it will be there. Database name, you don't really worry about that now, but it's very good to remember that. We can put test database 111. So this will be distinguished between all of my databases that I have on the server. And then you've got store name, which is test store name, test 111, because it cannot be greater than 7 letters. Brilliant. Admin folder, which will be admin 123, which I will show you what to do with later. Table prefix is PS, which is good, and I will show you what it is later in more tutorials. And admin email is admin@test.ruindesire. Password, it's usually very simple just to start with. Later on you can change that if you want. All you need to do is you need to click on install, and you need to wait now because that's going to take about 3 to 4 minutes, maybe less, depending on the machine that you work on and your actual web hosting server. If it is quick, it's going to be much quicker than that. But you can have a look at features and read about them. We've got front office and back office. Front office is very much developed depending on the template that you have, and back office, and we are going to learn about back office because this is all very interesting. This is how it looks, and this is that was the front of the shop. This is the admin page, which looks differently. This is the login, which is not very important. And another admin page, products that you have, and that's an old version of the store, which is 1.5, which we don't want to see. Ratings, obviously, and all of other items that you want to entertain yourself whilst this is installing. You might as well want to have a look at what is available in here when it is installing, or you might actually want to make yourself a cup of tea, which will be quite usable at this stage. Soft Calculus is offering only one e-commerce at the moment, which is PrestaShop, I believe, but nevertheless it is very much sufficient to use on as your platform for online shop. There you go. It has been installed successfully. This is the domain that it has been installed at. This is the admin URL if you want to access the admin. You can also download a separate software to manage your shop, but not necessarily this is the best option for you at the moment, because AMPPS doesn't look very good. I have tried it and I haven't mastered it. If somebody has, just let me know. Right, so this has been installed. So we have chosen, we can go back to our cPanel if we want, but we have chosen the domain name, which is test.rundesign.co.uk. And this is how it looks. That's a new PrestaShop. It looks very nice and neat, and with very much limited options. You can change the menu, you can change the banners if you want, you can have all the products, but that's pretty much it. You can change the fonts and some of these texts, but the rest remains the same. The rest remains unchangeable. So the template, the basic template offered by PrestaShop is not very impressive. We have found that it has very little options, but nevertheless, the very important element of this is the administration page, which we can access at HTTP, and it is very important to put actually HTTP instead of www, because you might struggle with logging onto the actual administration page. So you put admin123 and it will take you to the website where you need to put basically your email address and the password, which we have chosen. We can click keep me logged in, and we're accessing the administration page. Now this is the admin page where the fun begins. You've got catalog where you've got all the products, orders, customers. You've got the whole back office, which will help you to manage your PrestaShop, which is quite nicely organized, but it does require some attention to what to do and where to do it, especially with shipping and payments and all that stuff. But I will aim to show that to you in future tutorials if you want, but this is basically it. You can now install further modules and make further functions of the shop just to make it work. But as I said, this is going to be showed in other examples. That's it for now. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you.